from Joaquina Beach. It's actually it's so windy. My hat almost flew off. Hello, we're on our way to Joaquina Beach. Yay! The plan for today was to go to the beautiful sand dunes that are around here, but I don't think it's the best time to do it today. So here's a panoramic view of the beach. I don't think you can tell how windy it is. Maybe if you look at the umbrellas, maybe you're not even able to hear me that well right now because it's so windy, but the sun is out, which makes it so beautiful. It actually almost looks like the perfect day, but it doesn't feel like the perfect day. Bummer. But we decided to come to this restaurant first because we needed to shelter. It was so freaking windy. But also we said like, hey, how about we eat and then decide what we do. So as you can see, look at these palm trees. You can probably hear the wind. So windy. So windy. Actually, my hat is holding to dear life. I don't want it to fly away. It's my wisdom hat. I had to ask Luis to give me his jacket because my coats are in the laundry service right now, so I have nothing to cover myself. So check this beautiful Ecuadorian jacket. Okay, so I am gonna be brave and go to, check this out. I didn't show you that there's a cool path, direct path to the beach, so I'm coming down. Hopefully my hat stays in my head, but this way I can show you a closer view of the beach. This is actually the closer beach to one neighborhood called Lagoa de Conceição, which is one of the places we love the most about Florianopolis. And I don't know if you can tell, but the water is very, very blue, turquoise. The ocean is wild today. So that's where we're hiding. That's where we're eating. So I'm gonna just take you inside. Let me go up, back up, and I'll show you where Luisfe and Nala are. So what we're gonna do now is maybe eat some fish and then walk around, see what else we can do around here. We would love to come back. It is gonna be a little colder in the coming days, but it's gonna be sunny and I don't think it's gonna be that windy. So we're gonna leave the sand dunes for a different time. Okay then, let me just take you inside. Let me see if I can hold my hat and open the door at the same time. Yes, there they are. My hat almost flew off. Okay, here we are. Hello. Look what they gave to Nala. Isn't this super cool? I think, yes. Este es el abrigo del papá. ¿Me queda bien? El mío porque se está lavando. And here's Daddy and little Luka. So I think we're just gonna stay here for a little bit, grab something to eat. Maybe I'll show you what we ate, and then we'll continue our adventure in windy Joaquina Beach.
Maldo tem abuso, fala mal, escarnece. Só vencerá o mal tem que for guerreiro, que não se pacifique diante da peste. Maldade em toda esquina, floresce o bem na joelho fazendo uma prece. Quem é do bem me diga se tem cabimento.
¿Qué comes, Gordelín? ¿Te gustan las papitas? A mí también. Vamos a ver qué come la ñaña. What is Nala eating? She loves salt. She loves salt. And she loves fish. So we have some fish here. And she loves shrimps. So we already ate and it's actually getting colder because the sun is down and we're thinking that we need to be leaving soon. I think we're just gonna go back home and come back another day. We can't wait to show you around the dunes and it's like cute right there. And the beach looks beautiful, but right now it's gonna be too uncomfortable for us to be outside with our kids and with one jacket because this is Luis's jacket. I have nothing to wear, so I think we're just gonna be heading home. Thank you for coming along on our adventure that took a detour, and I can't wait to create another video for you. Make sure to follow us if you're new here. It's our brand new Monos Viajeros YouTube channel, and we're gonna be creating more videos for you very soon. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at Monos Viajeros. Mwah. Okay.